Founded in 1989, BelFone is a leading technology and solution provider of mission and business-critical communications, adhering to precision design, lean manufacturing, meticulous management, and sincere service. BelFone leverages automation to systematize production, standardize operations, and digitize management. Consequently, improves product yield, production efficiency, and product quality. BelFone emphasizes a lot on innovation with R&D personnel account for about 30% of its total staff. BelFone is the proud owner of nearly 100 intellectual property patents. BelFone has consistently been at the forefront of communication security, providing customers with reliable communication support. For over 30 years, BelFone has dedicated to bringing the best out of communications technologies and empowering customers with integrated radio solutions with outstanding performance and excellent communication capabilities. BelFone products are the ideal choice for mastering the overall situation and achieving intelligent dispatching and command delivery.